In this question, we have given a circuit which is implemented totally by a NAND gate. Now we have to reduce this circuit and find out the number of NAND gate which we can save in after the reduction of that circuit. Now first we will proceed. We will see what the F is representing here, and as we can see, this is representing A bar, and this is representing A bar into B ka whole bar, and similarly here it's representing B bar, and here it is representing A into B bar ka whole bar. So F is going to be equal to be A bar into B ka whole bar into A into B bar ka whole bar ka whole bar. Now there are so many whole bars, so don't get confused. See it clearly and understand it. Now, so F is going to be equal to A bar into B ka whole bar into A into B bar ka whole bar. Now the total multiplications ka whole bar, which is going to equal to be A bar into B whole bar ka whole bar plus A plus B bar whole bar, so whole bar is 2 times whole bar. Now to get from here to here, we have used De Morgan's theorem, which says, I am pretty much sure that you will know what's De Morgan's theorem, but for more simplification, I am telling it here. It is equal to, if we are having two input A and B, and we are doing the its whole bar, which is going to be equal to be A bar plus B bar. Now Now we also know that if any input is complemented two times, bar means complementation. If any input is complemented two times, the output is the same input. So from this we will get this input. From this we will get this, which is A bar plus B plus A into B bar. Now we know from our previous studies that this is a representation of an XOR gate, which is equal to be F is equal to A XOR B. Now we also know that to represent any XOR gate, the following circuit can be used, which is equal to be A. If A and B are our input, then it is passed through first NAND gate. We will get A into B, the whole bar, and from here we will get A into B ka whole bars, the whole bar, which is going to be equal to be A bar plus B. Now again, to simplify this, we have used De Morgan's theorem, which says that A into B ka whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Similarly, here we will get A plus B bar, and our final output is going to be A bar plus B into A plus B bar ka whole bar. Now F is going to be equal to be A bar plus B into A plus B bar ka whole bar, which is going to be equal to be A bar plus B ka whole bar plus A plus B bar ka whole bar. This equation is again came from De Morgan's theorem only, which is going to be equal to be A plus B bar plus A bar plus B. Just a second. Now, so total number of NAND gate now required is equal to 4. So we can see that previously we have required 5 NAND gate. We have used 5 NAND gate to represent our circuit. Now we are using only 4 NAND gate. So total saving of NAND gate is equal to 1, which is our answer.